I have a small collection of garden decorations, so I couldn't resist this cute cat. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product for you to try. Look at this box. It says here, open me, and then look at the back of it. It's so cute. I love the box too. Alright, so let's open it. There's a little booklet with instructions. Oh my gosh, look at this cutie here. Oh wow. Adorable. So here's the hand that's gonna hold this hook. And then it goes into the leg over here so it doesn't fall off. Oh my gosh, look at the lamp. Oh, isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Oh, my little decorations outside, they'll have a new friend. Oh, so cute. A smiling little cat. Here on the bottom, there is a little button that says on.